going camping? Alpcour's convenient and hygienic portable toilet ensures a seamless experience. Alpcour's large tank holds 10 liters of water, providing 50 bathroom runs. No electricity needed. The powerful piston covers 360 degrees for total cleanliness. Sturdy and comfortable, the seat holds up to 440 pounds. The lightweight and portable toilet is easy to take along. Use it in your truck or take it on a boat. The Alpcour toilet is extremely hygienic and made of heavy-duty materials that are odor and rust resistant. The anti-leak valve keeps liquids safely put away, while the rotating spout drains contents smoothly. You can also use the toilet for bedside use in your own home, a great option for surgery recovery. Alpcour, portable toilets for a portable you.